Hi everyone, I'm Jitel. I'm an art teacher and I've been teaching art for kids and adults for many years already. And in this tutorial I would like to show you how to draw this cute little pink kitty. So actually what you're going to need is a piece of paper, a black marker. I use this permanent Line Plus medium size, and you're also going to need a purple crayon and a pink one. Okay, these are double loaded, just Jumbo B color. It's from Carioca, but you can use any crayons or any pencil crayons that you have. So let's go ahead and start. The first thing we're going to do is draw the kitten with this black pen that we have over here, and we're going to start like this. The face goes like a circle and comes down like that. Okay, now we're going to fill in the details of the face first. Going to go ahead and draw a little dots over there, like a line going across the side of the face. Now on the left side we're going to draw an eye like this, and on the right side we're going to leave some space and draw another eye like this. Now we'll do some dots over here. Now at the end of this line we're going to draw a little heart. This is going to be the nose, and from the nose we're going to like continue this circular line, go up like that and like that, and draw a smile like this. And the other side. Now here on the top we're going to draw the bow, some curls, yeah. Now the ears, it's like a leaf and we divide it into half. And now for the body, what we're going to do is actually start out with a line over here and another line over here. It goes down, and on the right side we're going to get the tail coming out from here all around, up and back the whole way. Oh, that's nice. Now we're just going to finish up this line. We're going to curve it a little bit. Very good. Now we're going to do the two front hands, one and the second hand. Very good. So we're done with the drawing, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and color it. So for that we're going to start out with a pink crayon that we have over here, and what I'm going to do actually is start putting in the shades. I'll start out with the tail. I'm going to put a lot of pressure down onto this left line over here. Okay, and I'm just gonna do little stripes. Okay, actually we forgot to draw the bows on the tail. So this is one. Now another one. And the third one is going to be over here. That's it. Okay. Now with the pink color I'm just going to do some more shading over here. I'm putting a lot of pressure onto the pencil so that I'll get a dark color, and then I slowly release the pressure, and I color it very light. Now the same thing I'm going to do on this side over here. Putting a lot of pressure, and here in the middle also. And let's do some over here also. Okay, now I'm going to go over to the face. Put a lot of pressure on the right side over here. And here, half of the ear. Now what I'm going to do is release the pressure and really just like blend the pink color in. I'm going to leave some white parts even. You see the middle over here stayed white. And here what I'm going to do is actually add some more stripes. I do them like this. It looks like fur stripes. Also on the hands, I'll do smaller stripes, and I can do some also on the face. Okay, now I'll go ahead to the purple crayon, and I'm gonna just draw, color the bows. I'm not really gonna play around with the shading because they're so tiny over here. Very good. Now what I'm going to do is just draw the heart on the bottom over here. That's it. And I'm going to add some hearts. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now what I need to do is just color it in. Oops, I need to sharpen my pencil now again. Yeah, and these hearts on the side, I'll have 2 of them. I'll have them all purple. And now I'll just sign my name. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial of this cartoon kitty. And if you'd like to see more cartoons that I have this ladybug over here, which is very cute. You could go ahead and look for my ladybug cartoon video. And I've got lots of videos on how to shade with pencil and how to draw trees, acrylic paintings, step by step. I've got series of oil paintings and flower drawing and paintings, roses. You're welcome to come visit me on the other videos. So bye bye in the meantime. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day.